Valentine's Day, celebrated on February 14th each year, is a time-honored tradition dedicated to love and affection. Originating from the ancient Roman festival of Lupercalia, the day has evolved into a celebration of romantic love and companionship. It is a day when people express their feelings for one another through gestures of affection such as exchanging cards, flowers, and gifts. Red roses, symbolizing love and passion, are a ubiquitous sight during this romantic occasion. Couples often plan special dates or intimate dinners to celebrate their relationships, fostering a sense of connection and appreciation. However, Valentine's Day isn't solely reserved for romantic level. Friends and family also take the opportunity to express their love and gratitude toward each other. In recent times, the celebration has expanded beyond traditional norms, embracing diverse expressions of love and inclusivity. Whether it is a romantic partner or close friend or a family member, Valentine's Day serves as a reminder to cherish and celebrate the meaningful relationships in our lives, promoting love, compassion, and connection.